Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to reverse money on the Capitec app that is not a debit order. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, it is very important to know that normal transfers, beneficiary payments, EFTs, and other non-debit order transactions cannot usually be reversed directly in the Capitec app once they have been processed. However, if the payment is still pending, you may be able to cancel it before the payment is processed. To do this, open the Capitec app and sign into your account. Next, select the account that the payment is coming from. From there, tap the Money Out option. Then locate the pending transaction that you want to cancel and open it. If the cancel option is available, follow the prompts to cancel the payment. If the payment has already been processed, you can try contacting the recipient and requesting a refund. In most cases, the recipient will need to send the money back as a new transaction. If you are unable to contact the recipient or have no other options available, open your web browser and search for the online official Capitec support number. Then contact Capitec directly to discuss the transaction and any possible next steps. Keep in mind that non-debit order payments cannot usually be reversed directly through the Capitec app once they have been completed. And that is it. That is how to reverse money on the Capitec app that is not a debit order. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.